This is our tribute to the pirate band Legoland. When we got back from Legoland, Zack loves the pirate band so much that we decided to recreate one for him. So it's good. It sits at the bottom of his roller coaster, and yeah, took a little while to collect all the pieces. That's as close as I could get to the lady. But yeah, the trumpet player's spot on, and the pirate, and the monkey. These bananas in the barrel. And behind, we've got a treasure chest. So there we go. One thing to finish it off, we bought a really small Bluetooth speaker. Let's have a look at how big it is. There you go. I was hoping to get an even smaller one, but it's pretty good. You can fit it in behind it, so you can kind of hide it away back there. And then the band begins. This is our other little tribute to Legoland and the Castle Hotel, the Wizard. We just added that into the roller coaster. So yeah, just gives it a little bit more of a Legoland theme.